So I got a pair of Taxi 12-0 from a buddy. I'm going to try to refurbish these, kind of crisp them up a little bit. Try to, anyway. So just gonna redo the black, redo the white. Yep. So I already did the tape jobs. Already did some of the sanding to get some of the scuffs out. So now it's pretty much just redoing the paint. So. Alright, man.
It's phenomenal shoot.
Yeah, go in the light so you can see it. I hope I did you proud, bro. Or in the kitchen, yeah, you can go in the kitchen too. The light's probably better in the kitchen.
Yeah, just in
Oh, shit, these look brand new. Oh.
Hey.
Yo, good job, man. These look brand new.
Thanks, bro. I tried, man.
I can't even tell.
Yeah, that's the point. I tried to make them like, you know.
Tell they were like old at one point.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, bro, good shit.
Thanks, man. Try to bring them back to life. Yeah, how does it feel?
Feels pretty good. I think I'm just gonna bring you all my old shoes.
Yeah. See, that's the part I was saying.
Yeah.
I didn't get it in time,
But this, all of this is even gone too.
yeah. Yeah, so there's a couple coats, so it should be good. You can kind of still see like the leather pattern and stuff, so, you know,
Yeah,
try to make it
Yeah,
as if.
it looks original.
What do you think, Michelle?
Oh, I'm amazed. I mean, I know lots of Jordans, so I already know what number these are.
You're gonna wear these later?
What number is this? It has a number in here, right?
No.
No.
It's not gonna have it
It's, what number is it?
on. You
23.
gotta read Roman numerals.
Oh, which one is it? Where?
You gotta learn your Roman
Yeah,
numerals.
but where's the Roman
It's on the
numeral?
box.
Where?
Yeah, turn it the other way, so she.
Hand. That's what it is. Hand. This way? That way? 12?
Yeah.
Nice,
Right.
thanks.
I knew they were 12 by the way that this part right here, this part,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
the 12s.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is great work. I mean, I'm gonna bring you all my shoes.
Oh man,
You gotta hit her part.
I know.
I I have to edit. You gonna edit me out? You
Of
gonna
course
edit me
not.
out?
No.
Your words together.
Oh,
That was great.
whatever.
Just
Those look
practice for
good.
your vlog.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, this does look brand new though, man.
Thanks, man.